Good morning students. In this video session, we are going to see the second part of the operators. Okay, it is very important questions. 2 or 3 times it is asked for the university questions also. Okay, the question will be asked in different ways. Okay, the question will be asked like that, precedence and associativity of the operator. It can be asked like precedence and associativity of the operators. The second type of question is explain about the PEMDAS. What is PEMDAS means? I will explain. P for parameters, parenthesis, E for exponentiation, then multiplication division, MD, then addition subtraction, PEMDAS. Okay. In other ways also they can ask, explain about the mathematical operators or explain about the arithmetic operators with precedence and associativity. So the question can be asked in 3 or 4 ways. Okay. So for all the things the answer is same. Okay. First the heading is precedence and associativity. Okay. So you have to know what is precedence and what is associativity first. Precedence means nothing but priority. Precedence means priority. So I can say a simple example. In your school days you will study mathematics, right? In a expression is nothing but combination of operands and operator. A plus B equal to C or C equal to A plus B. This is the expression. For example, C equal to A plus B. This is the simple expression. And multiplication into C. See this example. See this example. D equal to A plus B into C. Which one you will execute first? Whether you will perform addition first or multiplication first. You are doing multiplication, right? Okay, addition subtraction has the lesser priority than the division and multiplication. Is it right? The same thing only we are going to follow. You will perform first this, then you will perform second this. This is the priority or precedence. Associativity is nothing but whether we want to solve from left side to right side or right to left. This is the associativity. All of you got it. Precedence means priority. Associative means whether we have to solve from left to right or right to left. This is the thing only we are going to see in this topic. Okay. So precedence of the operator. When more than one operators in the expression. See this expression. How many operators are there? Plus is one operator. Multiplication is one operator. This A, B, C are the operands. And the symbols are the operators. If more than one operators present in the expression, for evaluation is depend upon the priority. For that only we are going to see the priority. Only one operator is there means no need of any priority. We can directly solve. If more than one operator in the expression, we want to see the precedence, priority. Depend upon the priority only, we want to solve the expression. Okay. So, the priority order should be named in the form of PEMDAS. Okay. See here, always the first priority is bracket, parenthesis. Open close bracket is called as parenthesis. This bracket. Open close bracket is the parenthesis. Then exponentiation with symbol. This double star symbol, you study in the operator, right? This exponentiation is the second highest priority. Then you have to solve the multiplication and division. PEMD, multiplication and division. Then you have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay, now we can see the associative. What is associative? Already told, right? If the precedence, when the expression contain operators with equal precedence. Okay, suppose 2 operators, multiplication and divisions are there. Multiplication has the same priority with the division. At that time, you want to see the associativity also. Whether you want to solve from left side or whether you have to solve from the right side. When the expression contain the operators with equal precedence or priority, then associative property determines which operation would be solved first. Okay, that is nothing but the direction, left to right or right to left. Now we can see the order of the precedence. See, always this is the priority. Okay, the first priority is bracket. Okay, if bracket is there, we want to solve from left to right. Then for exponential, for explanation and for this assignment, we have to solve right to left. For all the others, it is left to right. Only two operators we have to solve from right to left. All the others we have to solve from left to right. What are the two we are solving from right to left? One is explanation, another one is assignment equal to. Okay, single equal to. So parenthesis left to right, then exponential symbol right to left, then multiplication. This is the first priority, this is the second priority. Multiplication, division, floor division, remainder division. All these four has the same priority. Same priority we have to solve from left to right. The next priority is addition, subtraction. Okay. P, E exponential, multiplication, division, PEMDAS, then addition, subtraction. Then this is shift left, shift right has the priority. Next priority left to right. The next priority is bitwise AND, left to right. The next priority is bitwise XOR. What is the symbol? Shift left, shift right, bitwise AND. And this symbol is bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. We have to solve from left to right. What about the next operators? Relational operators or comparison, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. It also we have to solve from left to right, this direction, left to right. Then assignment, equal to, not equal to. Equality operators. Equality operators also, sorry, it's not assignment, equality operator. Equality operators also we have to solve from left to right. Then what is this symbol? Assignment symbol. Only one equal to means it is assignment. Assignment operator we have to solve from right to left. See here the best example for assignment operator. Okay, here A equal to 2, B equal to 2, C equal to A plus B. How the computer will solve means first 2 plus 2, you will get the answer 4. It will be executed here. See, from right side to left side it's solving. First it will add the values, then the 4 will be assigned to the variable C. This is what we say, it will execute it from right to left. First addition will be performed, then from right side to left side it will be assigned. Okay, this is the best example for this right to left associativity. Then your membership, identity operator, membership operator and all the logical operators. Okay, the next priority is your identity operator, left to right. The next priority is your membership operator, in, not in, left to right. The last priority is your logical operators, not, or, and. It is also we have to solve from left to right. Now we can see one example. So we have to know how to solve the expression. This is the expression. See this expression. Inside the bracket, parenthesis 3 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 77 into inside the bracket 3 minus 1. So which one we have to solve first? We have to solve the first priority is from parenthesis. The first priority is parenthesis. From where we have to solve? From right to left or left to right? Left to right. Here two brackets are there. If right to left means we have to solve from there. But here we have to solve from left to right. So I am taking this bracket first. Always the bracket has the highest priority. 3 minus 9. Okay. So 3 minus 9 you will get the minus 6 value. Minus 6 divided by 3. The same plus 77 into now this bracket. The next priority is the next bracket. 3 minus 1. You will get the answer 2. Okay. Now see this expression. Minus 6 divided by 3 plus 72 into 2. So here what are the operations are there? Division, multiplication, addition. So division and multiplication has the first priority. From where we have to solve? See here the the division and multiplication has the same priority. Okay, here also division has the same priority as well as multiplication has the same priority. If the operators have same priority, we have to see the associativity. So for this, which one is which associativity? Left to right. So I want to solve this or this. I want to solve this first. As the associativity is left to right, I want to solve this first. So minus 2 plus 77 into 2. Now addition, subtraction, addition, multiplication. Which has the highest priority? Multiplication. So solve the multiplication, you will get 154. Then this minus 2. So at last you will get the answer 152. Now the first priority is parenthesis, second priority is here addition and multiplication is coming. So we have to see the associativity, then addition subtractions we are doing. Okay, all of you got it? So what are the things we discussed? What is associativity, what is precedence, and the order, the priority order of the operator, and one example. I hope you understand these concepts, students. Thank you.